Hello friends, my name is Shivam from DevOps Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
And select what? HQ underscore department. I think so far so good, right? All. Yeah. Now, can you see relational here, right? So we need to select the connection. So for that, click on down arrow button. Can you see here? I repeat, click on down arrow button where we can see the connection that we created just now, which is Oracle, right? Yeah. And then say okay. So this is how we need to connect. What is supply the connection details? Oracle part. Yeah. Now databases part is done. Next, we need to go to target and supply the target details. Yeah. So we can supply here. Let's say C colon target, right? And then the target file name you can supply, like whatever you want. Let it be scratch dot txt output, right? That's it. And then say okay. Yeah. So that's it. Like how one can start configuration of session properties. All done.
Can you just come again? C colon target.
Yeah, and file name is extension just put .txt. Rest everything is same.
Instead of out one, just have to put .txt.
Yeah.
Output file name.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
That's all. Say okay. Delay is done, right? Yeah, perfect. So and Dinesh is done, I think. And then next step is what? We just have to save it. And save it. Control S you can do, or we can go to repository and select what's saved. Yeah. Yeah. Done, right? All. Perfect. Yeah. Now the next step is what? We need to run this particular workflow. Yeah. For that, go to workflows and select what? Start workflow. Yeah. Repeat. Go to workflows and select what? Start workflow. Right? Start workflow. Yeah. Now monitor got opened up. Yeah. Let us connect it. Yeah. We need to supply username.
Wait,
Last time we
I'm
did.
sorry, I missed it, sir. Can we just go back?
Yeah. What I need to do is first go to workflow. I think it's already created, right? That part is done, right?
Yeah.
Right. So
Yeah.
then go to workflow and start workflow. We need to do, madam. Yeah.
Go to work. It is not enabled. Oh, one sec. Go to workflow and then start workflow. Yeah,
Got no?
fine. Yeah,
Okay.
got it.
Now, yeah, after that, this monitor will get opened up automatically, right?
Under monitor, okay. It is not
Yes.
opening up automatically. Okay. I need to go here. It
It
is
takes
not opening up automatically.
no. It will open automatically. It should come. Wait. Which is yours? Yeah, info 5, right? Let's wait. It's already there,
Yeah.
no? If it is not there, it will open up here. Now we can see, right? This workflow got succeeded. Second one, right? Or first one. Let us see the name.
Yeah,
Yeah,
second
first
one
one.
on, yeah.
From the top first, right? Yeah. So it is successful. Yeah. So let me check my system. I think delay was thing was successful. Now let me check my system. Yes. Yeah. So mine is also successful. Yes, successful. Now we can go and verify the summary details. See whether all the records from database table has been transferred to a file or not. Yeah. For that, go get session log and go to bottom. Yeah. So where we can see what these are the rows. Can you see 4 rows from database and 4 rows in file, which means all the rows have been transferred from source to a target. I repeat, all the rows have been transferred from source to a target. So that is what we can see over here. Clear, right? Yeah. Yeah. Any questions here? I think it's done. It's working, right? Yeah. I think it's working. Yes, perfect. Now let us go and verify this data in what? Target file. File we need to go and check, right? See, the file has been created here, right? You can just open this data. See, this is a department number. Then we
How
have
did
got
you go to session log?
what we need to do is one sec. So we need to right click on this session task DB source. You can see, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Right
yeah.
click and then get session log. Yeah.
Right click on
Then
this.
yeah.
Get session. No, it's not happening here.
One second. Not here. You need to go to monitor.
Oh,
In monitor,
second
yeah,
source
right click
target.
on this session.
You
Yes,
need
this one.
to
Yeah.
choose which. This is the older one, right? That we have to the target one we need to click, no? This is for the source file target, session source target. What is the workflow we just executed just now?
Yeah, this is the one. Database to file, right? Yeah. So now we can go and see in the bottom. Can you see database has got 4 rows, which is source, and target is 4 rows in file. That's what we did. Correct,
Okay.
no?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now we need to verify this data in the target file. Yeah. So to do that, go to target folder. Yeah, under C drive target folder, right? Yeah, and open this particular file and check the data. So can you see the
Okay.
data here? 10, 30,
Yeah,
40,
I can
and
see. Yeah, I can.
if you can also verify this data from backend also. How to do it? So go to this guy, connect cot tiger. That's just connected, right? So select start from table. Which table is this? Department, right? See, we got the
Yeah.
data, right? 10, 20,
Yeah,
30,
got it.
40, and department name, accounting, research, all that, and location, New York, Dallas, and so on, right? Yeah. So that's it.
Yeah.
Same thing we could able to see as part of target. So with this, we know that successfully we could able to transfer data from database table to a file. Correct, no? That's it.
Yeah.
Only change here is what? There is one change here, 10.0000. Why it has come? Can you guess the reason why?
Decimal, right?
Yeah, decimal is, yes, that is from the source. Target what we gave was, we gave string. That is why. If it in target, if you give, right, let's say number or simple integer, right, then we don't get to see this particular after dot decimal point. Got right? Yes, sir. Remember that
Yeah.
because of a type mismatch, we are getting this after decimal point. We are getting some digits. Yeah, fine, right? That is the reason. But there you still get data. That's not a, we don't lose data anyway because string can fit numeric data, but not other way. Right? So that's it about database to F5. Clear, no? This is perfect. Now, but our target, our expectation is what? We need to build what? This thing. So we just did up to this only. Select star from table to F5. But where clause? Where condition we need to do, right? Yes or no? So that to do that, we need to use our source definition, apply source inside the source qualifier. Without where clause we did. Now which where clause we are going to do? Let me copy and paste. Yeah. Source qualifier with where clause. So that whatever where clause that we put, it means filter result should be transferred to a target. Yeah. For example, for today's business, let's say we need to transfer only tier 1 customers data, or let us say for today's business we need to transfer data belonging to what? Department number 10. In that case, how do you take care? That is a question, right? So that we are going to do now. You got the requirement, right? See, I'm talking about business scenario and we are trying to represent it by using Informatica. Clear, no? That's how we need to understand, right? That from business, how to convert that to technical and see whether we get expected results in the target or not. That is our end goal, right? Yes or no? Yeah? All. Yes or no? That's what we wanted, right? Yes. Answer is yes anyway. Yeah. So now let us try building that. Yeah. Let us build a mapping quickly to meet that second thing. Go to mappings menu, create a mapping. I'll do it quickly because I think we have done example earlier, right? Only where clause is the extra thing that we are going to do. Yeah. Let us build it quickly. Mapping, DB source, and DB source with what? With where clause. I'll just put with where to a target, to a file target. Yeah. So file target. That's it. Yeah. So that's what we are trying to do now. Yeah. Yeah. Say okay. Yeah. Say okay. Now let us drag and drop this department source. Yeah. Done, right? I repeat. Let us drag and drop department source. Yeah. Yeah. Now let's go target. Target you can use same thing. Let's say SEQ1 TGT scratch. Yeah. And then connect. Yeah. Let us connect it. All the columns. Yeah. Done, right? So that's it. Now the next thing is what? How to build where clause. So far, I think we have already done with the previous example also, right? Yeah. So yeah, you can create, madam. Yeah. And I think yeah, this is done. We just have to select and select only one column. Yeah. Delete. Yeah, perfect. You got it. Yeah. That's it. So you can also do it, madam. Fine. Looks like you're busy.
Hello. Am I
Yeah.
audible?
Yes.
Okay. Hello. Yeah,
Yeah.
sorry for
Now
joining
it is done, right?
network.
Oh, you are back, huh, Dinesh?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Now the devil is back. Now let us start building what where clause. What I was saying is like how to build the mapping with a where condition, Dinesh. Yeah.
Yeah,
Got
yeah,
no?
yeah.
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 Now to build a where condition, where clause, double click on this source qualifier. Remember, now we are trying to make use of transformation now. Yeah. Double click on what? Source qualifier, where we can go to properties and supply the where clause here, source filter. Can you see here? Source filter. I'll just put here, let's say department number equal to what? 10. Yeah. Or we can also put department number less than, let us say, 20. So which means if the input data satisfies with this particular where clause, then those records only will get transferred to a target. That's all. It's very simple. Yeah. Yeah. So now done, right? So far, all. So yes. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. I think Delhi, you are done. Yeah, all done. Now say okay. That's all. Now save it. Control S you can do. So it got saved. So this is how we need to save. We need to create a mapping with a simple where condition. Now let us go to workflow manager. I repeat. Let us go to workflow manager and create a new workflow. Go to workflows, create, and supply the workflow name. Yeah. Workflow underscore db source with what where clause. Yeah. To file target. Fine, right? Yeah, target. So that's it. Rest everything is same. Say okay. Now we need to point to what a target. Target is what? Sorry, session, right? So let us go to task, create. Yeah. So create new task, right? So go to task and create what session task. Supply session name, which is let us say session underscore task underscore db with a where clause to file target. Yeah, you can just give whatever name that you want. So if it is meaningful, it will be good. Yeah. Yeah. Then click create. Yeah, that's it. Now we could be able to see we need to select what second one. Where no? Second mapping, right? That's where we have built a where clause. Yeah. And then say what? Okay. Yeah. Now we can just take out the overlapping part and connect start task with what? Session task. Yeah. Link task start to what? Session task. That's it. Like how one can start connecting two tasks. Yeah. So next step is same as earlier, which is configuring connection details. Yeah. Go to session properties, mapping, and database connection Oracle name, we have it. Oracle is already there, right? And then target. Target we can put here. Yeah. Target folder is, let us say, same as earlier. File name will change it. Yeah. I'll just put here C:/target, and then the target file name I'll just put here scratch underscore where I'll put where.txt. Yeah. So that if you use same name, right, it's going to overwrite previous file. Yeah. Right. So that's it. And then say okay. Yeah. So that's what we need to do. Yeah. And then save it. Yeah. So after that, we can just run. Yeah. That's all. So let's go to workflows and select what start workflow. Yeah. Done, right? So now, so once you run this workflow, right? Let me start. Yes. Now we can just go and verify the status of this particular workfront session. Yeah. Yeah. Can you see here? Second one, where clause, right? This is successful. Yeah. Anybody has got failed message? No, right? I think nobody. Everywhere it's successful. Yeah. Target, you can supply something, Dinesh. Yeah. Whatever you want. Yeah. So that's a C:/target, no?
Yes, yes.
And file name, let it be there, same thing. Huh? Dinesh, let it be there, same thing.
Yeah.
That's all. Now we can just save and run this particular workflow, Dinesh. Yeah.
Mhm.
Correct, no? Yeah. So it to open monitor. Let's see the result monitor. Yeah. Yeah. So just expand it. Yeah. Copy paste. Yeah. So now expand. Expand. So yes. Yeah. Which was fine. Yes. So this one. This one. Well, looks like it is failed. So you can go and look at the session properties. So connection problem, Dinesh. So what we need to do is database connection. So can I see the red? See, I look at here. Others no. Others can monitor this. So because it's not configured one property, right? We could able to see this error message. Can you see there is a error, right? Red symbol on top of session, right? Which indicates there is an error. So why it is error? So we can just go and see that. Yeah, which means all the properties are not filled in. What is that we are going to see? Can you see database connection is missing? That was the problem. Yeah. So what we need to do? So that time I think we had some power issues, right? So we just have to select relational, click on new, select Oracle, so say OK, because we have already done, right? So I'm just trying to show it first. Then Scott Tiger. Yeah. So that's it. And then say okay, right? So once you get a connection, right, we just have to close this and supply this connection as part of source, yeah, which is a DB. So that's what we need to do. Yeah, click on down arrow button, select Oracle, and then say what Oracle. Okay, that's it. Now, once we do that, say okay. Now we can just save it. See, that error message is gone. In previous case, so in the previous case, right? So there was error. Now we can run it so that we don't get to see that error message. Yeah, can you see successful now, right? Now all done, right? So yes, Subha madam and Dilli and Priyanka Nivesi is watching. So now let us go and look at this summary details. Yeah, summary should reflect this where clause effect. Yeah, let us see that. So let's go to session purpose session log. Yeah, where can you see here? Because of filter, we have got only one row which got transferred. So we could able to see filter condition effect, because if you go and look at the database data, whatever we have, right? So which is select start from. I'll just use department table, right? Yeah, connect. Yeah, connect the card tiger. Yeah, select start from the department, right? Yes. Yeah, we can see only first record which satisfies our condition, right? Less than 20 we gave. Yeah, less than equal means what? Even second record also would have got it. Yeah. So now let us go and look at the data in the target file. Can you see here? Last one, right? Just now it got created. So you can just double click on it. See, there's only one record which got transferred to a target. So that's it. Like how one can start building what simple filter within what source code file. Remember this. This is the first example which we discussed, like how to place the where condition so that we can transfer data based on this particular where condition. Clear, no? So yeah. So any questions here?
Yeah, we can
From
possible
anybody?
to multiple where conditions also is possible. Same filter.
Yeah, any number of where conditions. For example, let us do that. So what we need to do? Let's say department number greater than 10 and less than, let us say 40. Yeah, it's a compound where clause you can put it. So likewise, you can add any number of where conditions, which I am going to talk. That for example, one is less than 10, second is greater than 20, third is in between 20 and 40, fourth is greater than 30. So we can have what? Multiple where clauses. So for that, we need to use what? Another transformation, which is known as filter transformation, where we can add multiple conditions, and for each condition, we will have separate target. Dinesh?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, right now, let us focus on what? Change this particular mapping with a different type of where clause. That's in between, let us say 10 and 40, we should get it. How do you get it? Yeah? Which means we need to put what? Greater than 10 and less than 40. Yeah? Let us go and change this mapping to meet this particular requirement. Can you do that? Yeah. So same thing will change it rather than adding a new one. Go to properties, and here we are trying to build compound where clause. That's a greater than 20 or greater than 10. I'll put. Yeah, and what? So department number less than, let's say 40.
To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely.
Clear, no? which means greater than 10, less than 40. We have got 20, right? We should get 20 this time, not 10. Right now? Yes or no? You can start doing it. Say okay. And then save it. And go to this particular workflow manager. We need to refresh it here to reflect that particular change, right? We need to refresh this mapping. So once you refresh, now you can see warning symbol right on top of this session, which indicates change has happened. Now we can save. So that warning got disappeared. After this, we can rerun this particular workflow. Yeah. Now we are going to see the change in result, right? Yeah. Now let us try to what refresh this. If the log is already open, right, we can refresh it so that we can see the effect of this particular change. So we got two rows. Can you see this time we got two rows got transferred. Greater than 20, less than 40, right? Which means 20, 30 we should get it. That's what we have, right? Greater than 10 and less than 40. So 20, 30 we should get it, not 20, 20, 30. So let us go and look at the result, the target file, this one, right? So see 20, 30 we got it. Because our where clause is what? Greater than 10, less than 40 we give, not 30. Now, 30 means only 20 would have come, but we give less than 40 we give, right? Clear, no? I hope you guys have got this result, right? Yes or no?
I got only one row. Maybe the where condition is not correct.
Where condition I gave wrong, huh? So I gave
no, me
less
I'm
than
saying
40, no?
info 4.
Okay, yours.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is 10, 40. Yeah, info 4. Let's go and see that. So you gave less than 30, Dilip?
No, I gave
Let's see that.
less than 40 only.
Then you should get 2 actually. You have not got it?
No, I didn't get it. Maybe.
Okay, let us see that result. Yeah. Where is the result? Let us see that.
In C drive,
That's a
yeah.
good thing, huh? He has done very good. Let us see that. What is so let us try to see why we you got 10, right? This is a previous result. Correct,
Yeah.
no? Where is the latest one? So did he execute this? Yeah, let us see.
I think I did.
First we need to let me see. First we need to refresh this session, right? So your change will be reflected. You already did, I think. No changes.
Yeah,
right?
I already did.
And yeah, let us try to run this. Oh, you didn't get, huh? How come here? These are previous results, not the latest one. Correct, no?
Okay. I think I right click and run the task. Maybe that's the reason. I didn't run the workflow. Yeah.
Okay. So let us see that anyway. Effect. Timestamp you can see. Now what is the time now?
Okay.
System date you can see. See whether it gets changed. No, it's not changing. So let's go and see what happened. Yeah. So which is reverse weight loss, right? This one, yeah. So we can go and look at session log and so come down. Session property. There is only one, right? Oh, this is a fantastic thing. What was the this is a good one. Says if you want TGT scratch. TGT scratch. No? TGT scratch. Not where. No? So your target name is what? Scratch.
Target. C colon target.
No, one second. I think this is a good example. Good thing you have done. Let us identify where it went. The department is fine. This is, I need to see. Oh, this is fantastic. This is correct only. Mapping is what? Mapping DP scores with a where clause, right? This is correct.
Yeah.
And
Should that properties be small letter or caps?
that doesn't matter. It's a case insensitive. Department number greater than 10 and department number less than 40. Yeah. Is it saved, this one?
Yes, I think.
Oh, this
Yes.
was not saved. That was a
Save.
problem.
Okay.
Now I saved it. Yeah. So now refresh mapping. Yeah, now you will get the change. Yeah. That was the problem. It was not saved. Now I surprised why you not got it. You should get it anyway. Yeah. Let us see that. That's a good thing you tried. Yeah, refresh this. Yeah, now it's successful, right? Yes or no? Yeah. Now
Yeah.
let's go. So we should get statistics. We should get 2, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. Now we got 2.
Yeah.
So we can able to see. So same in the target also you'll have 2 records. So that is the problem. So you can see timestamp got changed.
Correct. Yeah.
See, there are 2 records. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's it. Like how one can start what you call building compound where class to see the effect of it. Dinesh, is it working? Dinesh?
Yeah.
Dinesh? Are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, it's working, right? Yeah, perfect. So that's it. Like how to build what you call compound condition so that we could able to see the result in the expected target. Yeah, fine, right? So that's it. So Paula, I think looks like she has got some critical things in project. Can you stop or can you continue? So I don't have any problem. No.
We can stop. That's what I think. Yeah.
Right. So we'll
Because of
continue
2 people.
tomorrow, right? At 9 o'clock. Yes,
Yep.
yes. Bianca has got
Yeah.
some problem and looks like she has some escalation, whatever. Yeah. So yeah, fine. We'll meet tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Okay, right? Yeah.
Thanks. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks to
Yeah.
all.
One.
And we'll
Yeah.
just
Nothing
finish.
has. Yeah. I have one doubt. Actually, in my project side, I have installed my Informatica. So I try to uh, connect the database DNS name. So it is asking 2 types actually. One is the
2 types of.
user DSN. I mean ODBC connection. It is asking DSN, system DSN, user DSN like this
Yes, yes.
for connection. So generally we are connecting system right now. What you are explained to you. So
Right.
then it is easily. But I try to add here system DSN. It is getting error actually.
What is error?
So system privileges is not there like this.
You need to have privileges to access it. That's correct, no? Ask DBA guys to provide privileges. Because project, no?
No,
So
which
project
one?
means admin will be separate
Yeah.
team. You will have I think separate database DBA team, right? So we need to ask. Here means we have full control on all. You got right, Dinesh?
Yeah, I got it. So
Just ask them.
CNS
If they don't give it, then I'll give you some other alternate solution. Yeah. So, but it's not recommended thing for learning is okay, but in real project it is not good to use that approach. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, Dinesh. Yeah. Okay.
I will try to connect deviating. If not
Sure.
possible,
Any
then
other question? It is possible with this user also, but we need to have access. So if you don't get access, let me know. Yeah, we'll see that. Yeah.
sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Any other questions from anybody? Okay then. So we'll stop today and we'll continue from it tomorrow. Yeah? Thanks to all again.
Yeah.
Bye.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.